to improve the condition of Indian agriculture, the Indian government has resorted to reforms. And there are three basic kind of reforms which have been initiated. And they are technical reforms, the land reforms and the general reforms. And here I am talking about the technical reforms. As far as technical reforms are concerned, the farmers have been encouraged to use the high yielding variety of seeds. That is, the use of those new seeds which will give better productivity. So, this is the first boost which has been given under the technical reforms. The second technical reform is use of chemical fertilizers. Instead of the old age cow dung as the manure, the new composite agricultural chemical fertilizers have been encouraged under this scheme. The third reform is the use of insecticide and pesticides. Earlier, the crops used to get destroyed, but now the modern insecticides and pesticides have seen that the Indian agricultural productivity does not get destroyed because of the insects or the pests. The next reform is scientific farming. Instead of the conventional methods of farming which were used by the Indian farmer, the new scientific farming has been encouraged by the government of India, like the selection of good kind of seeds, crops and the quality of the crop, the preparation of the field and the crop rotation. All these measures resort to just one thing, and that is increase in the productivity of Indian agricultural output. The next technical reform is mechanized means. So, the new machines like tractors, threshers and so on have been encouraged by the Indian government, and for this loans are provided by various nationalized banks to the farmers so that the productivity in India increases. So, these were about the technical reforms in India.